Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm hyped because if you guys can read that right there, what does that say? Valve Tronic. We've been trying for so long and we finally got it. We are now sponsored. The Benz will no longer be quiet this year. Actually, it will be. That's a lie. Let me show you. So let me unbox this thing. Let me just get it going. You know, a few cuts here and there. And just stay tuned for some magic. Oh, you guys ready for this? Ooh. Cheers! I don't even know what to open first. I'm too excited. Let's open this one. Oh. Get hyped. Getting way too hyped right now. You ready? Cheers! Okay. Hooking the fans up. Okay. Yeah, we got stickers, we got... Damn, this is so sexy. Oh, look at that. This is some nice packaging. This is beautiful quality. Like, wow, look at this bad boy. Bro, this suits the Benz so nice. This is actually crazy. This is actually insane. Damn, I want to put this sticker on right now. I might have to get you guys a bigger sticker, to be honest. Oh, it's like a hose. Okay, what else we got? And we got some wires. Oh, that's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Okay, let's see what else. The moment of truth. Put that over here. Oh, buddy. Let's go. What is this? Cheers! Welcome to the gang. That's it. That's awesome. That is so cool. Let me just read this first, just in case there's something on here I'm not supposed to show you guys. Beautiful. It's almost like a signature. You got a little autograph right there. Put that over here. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? I think this is just the package. This is just the package. You ready? Cheers! Holy shit. Damn. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Oh, damn. Holy shit. You see that? Boom. This is crazy. This is so nice. Like, I don't even know what to show you guys. Like, look at that. That's insane. That is insane. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get a proper look at this. Guys, I am beyond thankful. Like, holy fuck. 5 years of progress gets you sponsors like these. Like, holy shit. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. You know, like, I like going to car shows, but the Benz has always been very quiet. This is it. This is time. This is the year. Holy. Just again, we got the plate frame, you know, matches the Benz. Got this beautiful kit. I just gotta show you the box because I'm actually in love with the box. Like, the box is pretty damn sexy. Look at that. It's got like suede in there too. That's too icy. Like, this just suits the Benz so nice. Like, oh, Valve Tronic, thank you so much. I can't wait to get more content, more unboxing, more like testing on this Benz. You're gonna make me want to put this on like ASAP. Thank you again. Follow Valve Tronic. This is beautiful. Cheers, guys.